internet stopped working this morning. I could not live stream, so I ended up just trading the open here on the Nasdaq with my Apex accounts, locking in some serious profit. I'm going to show you guys the trade live right here in this video. Go through the process of like what I'm looking at, what I'm looking to get into, my targets, and showing you guys the trade right here every day live on YouTube, 9 a.m. Sorry about the technical difficulties this morning. I'll be back tomorrow for Fresh Cash Friday. Let's dive right into this big old, $10,000 trade right here, right now. So my internet went out, or it wasn't allowing me to live stream this morning. It was lagging really bad. I had to go to Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is just not that clean for the live stream. So hopefully we can trade still. It seems that my internet is working. It's just not letting me really get like the best connection for streaming. So right now the Nasdaq here, 18,660. Look at this pop right here. We just popped through the 60s. Still, look at that. Those rips are wild. Like just absolutely just ripping through levels here. So the Nasdaq going straight up here into open. Try this right here long. See if we can get a pop straight up to the 70s next. Give that break. Got to get through the 70s here. There we go, up there to the 70s now. See if we can get a little more. Looking for like 75s here. I don't like it getting stuck there at the 70s, but I'm gonna give it a little bit of room here and find some support, and then I'll look for more to the upside. We get through the 75s there. So basically at this point, just stop right below our entry here. We're either going to rip it up through the 70s or take out that 50 level there next. Got to push through the 70s here. Get over 71, should start to move quicker. Try to get up there 75s quickly. Up there to the 78s now. Looking for a nice $10,000 winner right here. Get through the 80s next. I'm going to move my stop right below this, 63s. I'm gonna move my target up a little higher, 85s now. Looks really good, 85s. And getting filled there. So we had this kind of candle, the bottom of that candle right there. I was watching that little wick right there, right? 57. Kind of bounced right off there, got there at the 59s. It's still going up there to the 87s now. So nice little move. That pullback there at open, pulling back into that kind of 925 candle right there. And then that breakout, I was looking here, obviously on the Nasdaq, kind of pulling back into this breakout kind of point, and there we go. So we pushed up there beautifully. And now we're going to see how high we can go. So the market pushed up there above the 18,700 level like we were thinking it was going to do. It pulled right back down here to the VWAP. So big move up this morning, chopping around, big move overnight. We know that when we expect a big move overnight, that we expect kind of choppy action during the actual trading hours, because people are like, do they take profit? Do they end up getting, are people really buying up here at the top? Are the shorts getting squeezed? Blah, 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 blah. There's a lot of stuff going on. So the market pulling back to the VWAP right now. We got a pivot point to the downside there. And you can see here, locking in profit. Yes, I did have some trouble here with these 4 accounts. These 450K Apex accounts, but I did end up locking in these profit, just basically one little trade. My computer is kind of being a little weird, so we took the big trade this morning on these accounts. Basically, I'm trying to break it up, right? So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts that I've had for I think like 5 or 6 days now going, and then these are some newer ones that I'm just kind of building up here as well. So we did pass a evaluation today, 1 day pass with Apex. You can see the four PA accounts that got blown up there, and we'll kind of mark that up as a loss, but on the day we're still locking it in. You can see my balances there and the build. So yes, it is not a secret, I have not taken a payout from Apex this year so far. The reason for that, why is that happening? Why have I not taken a payout? I just keep fucking up. I keep doing stupid shit, and trust me, if anyone's more pissed about it, if anyone's more like embarrassed that I haven't taken the payout yet, it's me, right? Like, it's obviously me. I've taken payouts with Take Profit Trader. I've taken payouts with My Fun of Futures. With Apex, I just haven't haven't made it happen, to be honest. I keep doing stupid stuff. I've also kind of, like I said, I've been kind of fishing and doing other stuff, but right now, like I'm trying to get there. There's no excuses. I don't really know what to say. There's just no excuse. At the end of the day, I'm not trying to hide the fact that I haven't gotten the payout. I'm showing you guys, what's going on. I'm talking about it. I've talked to multiple people. I'm like, man, like there is nothing more that I want right now than just getting a payout. So that's where we're at. I just gotta stop fucking around and just stay focused. And I mean, there's really no reason that I shouldn't get a payout at this point. I just gotta stay consistent. And if I do have a red day, just keep the red day small. Totally fine. Like we're so far above the buffer at this point. Even if we have a red day, it's totally fine. Like I need to keep that in mind. It's okay to have a red day. Just let it be, turn it off, walk away. We're still very much there in the money on these accounts. So I don't need to force it. I don't need to keep going, but just kind of walk away. I'm getting there. So hopefully by the end of this month, we'll be able to request the payout, and we're close. We are so damn close, my friends. We're working on it. And like I said, there is no excuse other than the excuse that I just doing stupid shit and not following the rules, going on tilt, vice versa, and just, there it is. So just need to stay focused and stop fucking around. No more fucking around, Patrick. Serious business only. Right now, the Nasdaq bouncing there off of the VWAP. So I'm going to walk away. Like I said, my internet's doing some weird stuff. Trade did some weird stuff this morning. I got a terrible fill. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if my internet or just the market in general. So I'm going to walk away and just kind of count it off as still a very green day, right? I don't know why I'm like complaining. Still very much a beautiful green day, over $10,000 in profit. I showed you guys a live trade here. If you guys want to learn more about Apex right now, 80% off a 1-day pass, 50% off the resets, lots of deals going on. Check out onlyprofirms.com to get the best deals always. Use the code PW. PW gets you the best deals in the industry always, my friends. So there it is. I'm going to walk away and well, I'm going to turn all this off. I'm turning it all off. Hopefully I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for Fresh Cash Friday. Peace to the Middle East.